Keep going. Keep going. Hold there real quick. You're on. Both sides good. Guys, so it might be kind of an inconvenience. I'm shooting on my phone. When I actually went to Japan, which granted said I was going to post the videos, and I'm still not even updated or edited. So we're looking at about a year almost, not doing anything. But the GoPro overheated in Japan. So I have a GoPro Hero 5 now, but the audio sucks with them, obviously. And also, on other news, my car blew up. So I'm rebuilding the engine. I already got the engine out. I got everything done that way. I'm going to put the crankshaft together today. I'm going to attempt to time-lapse it. I'm also eating dinner at the same time. And I also don't know what I am doing. So, also, I'm finally back from military training. Hence the shirt, if anybody recognizes. Or sweater, I guess. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing this. Definitely going to get this stuff fixed, and then I'm going to look at editing actual videos from my Japan trip, which is going to be a year behind, and that's kind of an inconvenience. Obviously, the next step, I guess, is to figure out how to get my table in the shot with a GoPro. And I think I might have just covered up my mic, but who knows. Yeah, but no, get my GoPro in filming without having any mounts, because everything's packed away somewhere that I don't want to get to because it's late at night and it's cold and snowy. Also, Merry Christmas. This is the 26th, so it's belated. Merry Christmas. Hope you had a good time. Let's get down to it. Alright guys, so I got the connecting rods on the crankshaft, and as you can see I was using the torque wrench. Always torque your bolts, but check the specs first. So, for these guys, it's obvious that I was putting a lot of weight into them. I don't know if that's close to normal spec or not, although with the mainly connecting rods, the ones I'm using at least, have ARP bolts, and it requires a different torque rating specific to the specific bolt and all that jazz. So you got to figure out which one it is, set your torque wrench to whatever it is. In my case it was 65 foot-pounds, and then crank it down. Make sure it's tight. You wouldn't want that thing falling off while you're going. But for now, if we can get a good view here, there she is. Each one falls down quite well. So all I have to do now is I would continue, but I don't have some gasket sealer, but I need to assemble the crankcases now and start going from there. That'll be a different episode. I also have to download Quick so that I can just do a quick edit on my phone, try and get it posted up tonight. We're looking, I got a couple hours, it's 8 o'clock. And no, this is not sponsored by O'Reilly, even though I have a lot of O'Reilly bottles here. I wish it was. So, Otherwise, you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and holiday season. Happy New Year's.